Heyo. Okay.
We are back on the PCT.
Hi everybody who watches our videos. Good morning everybody. Here's to another day of waking up alive. This episode is of Robert and I's Pacific Crest Trail through hike. This is when we got back from the Arizona Trail and restarted in Idlewild. And this is some footage that I did before I started vlogging. So I was recording stuff and documenting things, but I did it all vertically because of different social media platforms. But I discovered this footage and I thought it was so fun and cool, and I really wanted to share it with y'all. So here is some vertical footage. Let me know what y'all think about it. If you enjoy this, drop us a comment below. I have a lot more of footage like this that I would love to share with y'all if the black bars aren't too distracting. And as always, thanks again for watching, and happy trails.
Okay.
Let's see. Hi, Sita and Aunt Patty.
Hi, Mima and Aunt Rose.
Oh, yeah.
And Ronnie and Dad and Mom.
Yeah.
And hi, Frank.
Becca. Oh,
siblings.
Yeah. Siblings.
Megan, Star. I guess once we start naming people, then it starts to get
it just
hard
keeps
to
going.
Stop. Yeah. All low power mode and airplane mode. Oh, that's kind of a flower. Ta-da! Good? Oh, almost poked myself. Wait, let me make sure I don't look broken.
Oh, you look cool. Made it to the ridge. Okay. All right, now say the thing you want to say.
Okay. Made it to the ridge. guy singing way well, rock you.
Okay, we are about to do the pass, the super scary, not so scary San Jacinto pass.
Yeah, we're doing Fuller Pass.
Fuller Pass.
Fuller Pass in the San Jacinto mountain range, and
there's
let a bunch of people go ahead of us,
yes,
so that if they can dive before us, that'd be
exactly
nice.
And we got micro spikes. Let's see. There you go. Micro spikes, ice axes, and each other.
And we got each other. Yep, rock and roll.
Good job.
Not bad.
Usually I hike 60 miles. 50. So last night we camped in a wind tunnel. Anyways, now we got Cokes.
Bam. Thanks, Jim.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You look like a badass.
I do.
Okay, tell us where we just hiked out of.
We just hiked out of a giant valley.
Yeah. Yeah, we did. That's the valley, y'all.
The wind tunnel. A little city called Bannon?
No, White Manning. So
what?
It was to just say the town that we just came from, because that's where we resupplied. So we're just coming out of Cabazon.
But we didn't resupply in Cabazon. We supplied
Banning.
At Banning, I think?
Yes. Okay, the city after
Nitsy's
it.
house. We
Yes.
resupplied at Nitsy's house, basically.
Okay, awesome. And we're 200 miles in.
We're 200 miles in, yeah.
Videoing. Bagel sandwich with fresh spinach out in the middle of nowhere. Up in the mountains again, we hiked to the sand, and now we're up in the mountains again. Okay, so we were hiking and we had about a 1 mile into where there's a parking lot and a highway, and they say it's good. It's an easy hitch from the highway, so we were planning on camping 1 mile outside of it. And we met Bosco, who was a trail angel, who met us on trail, invited us to come stay at his place in Big Bear. And he has this cute little cabin that he is putting us up in, completely just out of being a trail angel. And there is beer in the fridge. There's a coffee maker over here. There is showers and free detergents and what am I thinking? Soap and conditioner and washer and everything. And it is just, we're blown away.
We're gonna build a tiny home like this in our backyard.
What are you saying?
We're gonna build a tiny home just like this one in our backyard, and we're gonna live in it permanently.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say we were gonna be trail angels, but we're
we'll
gonna
be trail
live in
angels
it. Yeah.
too, but you know.
Maybe. This is just amazing.
Show them the loft. Did you go up in the loft?
I didn't show them the loft yet, but I do want to cheers to this beer. And we just got finished with 2 really hard sections.
Yeah.
So we did the Santa Sedno Mountains, and then we resupplied, and then we biggity bounced. We didn't even zero or anything out of Banning. And then now we got to Big Bear after doing Mission Creek, and we are tired and sore. And we got this.
The most epic trail magic you could ever imagine. Did you already tell them exactly what happened? Mm-hmm. They met us on trail. Okay.
Met us on trail.
Yeah.
He had a cookie for us. Took us to this little cabin. And
gave us a bunch of ice cold beers. Told us the place is ours, no charge. It's right up the street from a bunch of restaurants.
Amazing.
What can we say? Thank you, Bob.
Look how cute. Somebody put a little rocks around the...